12 signs of food allergy in babies. In this video, we will talk about food allergies are a growing concern, especially in infants and young children. While 4 to 6% of children are affected, allergies can appear at any age. What is a food allergy? A food allergy occurs when the immune system mistakenly identifies a certain food as harmful and triggers a reaction. These reactions can vary from mild to severe and can become life-threatening. Can babies develop food allergies? Yes, babies, even those under 12 months of age, can develop food allergies. However, the severity of these allergies differs between children. Common food allergens for babies. Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby health and care videos. Continue watching. 1. Eggs. 2. Nuts like walnuts, peanuts, and cashews. 3. Seafood and shellfish. 4. Soybean. 5. Wheat. 6. Sesame. 7. Tomato. 8. Chickpeas and chickpea flour. Symptoms of food allergies in babies. 1. Hives or red spots. The appearance of hives is one of the most common signs. These red bumps, which may resemble mosquito bites, can spread quickly across the skin. 2. Itchy skin rash. Itchy rash, often appearing around the mouth and throat. It can also show up in other parts of the body and cause discomfort for your baby. 3. Swollen lips, tongue, or face. Swelling of the lips, tongue, or face is a more severe symptom and can affect your baby's ability to speak or breathe. 4. Itchy throat and tongue. Some babies may experience an itchy sensation in the throat and tongue. While this may seem minor, it can lead to more severe respiratory issues. 5. Runny or blocked nose. A continuous runny or blocked nose, often mistaken for a common cold, can indicate a food allergy if these symptoms appear suddenly after eating. 6. Sneezing. Excessive sneezing may also be a sign of a food allergy. If your baby sneezes uncontrollably after eating a specific food, it's worth looking into the possibility of an allergy. 7. Breathing problems or wheezing. A more alarming sign is difficulty breathing or a wheezing sound. This can indicate that your baby's airways are tightening due to an allergic reaction. 8. Coughing and respiratory issues. Persistent coughing, especially if it occurs with other symptoms, could suggest an allergic reaction. 9. Nausea, vomiting, or dizziness. Some babies may feel nauseous, vomit, or become dizzy. These signs can sometimes be confused with other illnesses, so it's important to note when they occur. 10. Diarrhea and stomach ache. Diarrhea and stomach pain are common in food allergies. If these occur consistently after feeding, it might be a sign your baby is reacting to something they ate. 11. Pale or blue skin color. A sudden change in skin color, such as pale or blue skin, can be an indicator of a serious allergic reaction. 12. Anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is the most dangerous form of food allergy reaction. It affects breathing, sends the body into shock, and requires immediate medical intervention. Food allergies can be a serious health issue for babies, but they can be controlled with early identification. Always consult your pediatrician when introducing new foods to your baby's diet.